Hey everybody, Evan Schmidt, product specialist, love promise coordinator here at Santa Cruz Subaru. Today's video is on how to pair your iPhone with any Subaru with our 11.6 inch screen. If you're new to the channel, I like to make videos on everything Subaru, impart my knowledge and wisdom, everything I've learned over the last 18 years of working here at Santa Cruz Subaru. If you get used to the videos, hit the little Santa Cruz Subaru wave down there. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. It really helps me out. Lets my bosses know that people get used to the videos, and let me keep doing it for you. All right, let's get into it. All right, so we're going to show you how to pair your iPhone with a Subaru with the 11.6 inch screen. So it doesn't matter what Subaru you have. If you have this screen, the process is exactly the same. So Ascent, Outback, Legacy, WRX, Crosstrek, and now the Forester all have this screen. Super easy. First thing you got to do is you got to get into your phone, and you got to get into settings on your phone and hit Bluetooth. Make sure your phone is looking for the car. This guy down here is phone settings. It's right next to the house. Looks like two phones with a settings logo. So we're going to hit that guy. Then we're going to hit add. Depending on the kind of car you have, we're sitting in a Forester, so the name is Forester. And that is something that you can change. Look for one of my videos on how to change that. The numbers always match. I've been here a really long time, never not had a number match. So all you got to do is hit pair. You're going to allow your contacts to sync. Depending on your phone, you know how it's running. This process is really quick, or it takes a little bit longer. So if it's taking a long time, just reset your phone. But see how it says my phone is paired? I'm gonna hit use CarPlay. Then here's the car. So yes, I want to use CarPlay, and yes, I want to be the favorite device, or no, if you don't want to be the favorite device, hit no. Then hit yes. Phone's connected. Car's connected. My phone's running really good, so this is happening pretty quickly, and everything's good to go. And now CarPlay works. Got the little symbol down there. Phone works. You're nice and paired. If you do not want CarPlay to work, you just want to have your phone working, you got to go into the settings again. You got to select your phone, and we're going to disable CarPlay. So, and you can have Bluetooth connect. So see up here now, Bluetooth is connected. I'm using the phone that's a second phone. It doesn't work as a phone, so it has no signal, but you'll see your signal strength, Bluetooth, and battery strength. So we do get people who just want phone calls. They don't want CarPlay because they don't want to use Siri. I don't know why, but I do get that every once in a while. People hate Siri and they don't want it to work in your car, which means CarPlay is not going to work. Again, if you want CarPlay to work, you just have to do the opposite. See how we see Bluetooth there? You select your phone, enable CarPlay, and then it's going to disconnect technically the Bluetooth system, and then CarPlay's back and working, and you can do everything with your phone. And we're going to make another video later on how to use CarPlay, the do's and don'ts. All right, thanks for watching.